Are you considering an uncontested divorce in Georgia? If so, you're not alone. Many couples seek a peaceful resolution to their marriage, avoiding lengthy court battles and emotional turmoil. An uncontested divorce is often the simplest and most amicable way to end a marriage. In this video, we will outline the essential steps to guide you through this process. The first step in obtaining an uncontested divorce in Georgia is to ensure you qualify. Both spouses must agree on all major issues, including property division, child custody, and support arrangements. If you're able to come to a mutual agreement, it's crucial to document everything clearly and comprehensively. This will minimize any potential disputes and create a smoother process as you move forward. Once you have reached an agreement, the next step is to file the divorce paperwork. In Georgia, this typically involves completing a specific set of forms that include a petition for divorce and a settlement agreement. These documents lay out the terms you've both agreed upon. You can find the necessary forms online through the Georgia Supreme Court website or at your local courthouse. It's vital to ensure that all forms are filled out accurately, as any errors or omissions could delay the divorce process. After filing the paperwork, the next phase involves serving your spouse with the divorce papers. This is a significant step, as it officially notifies them of the divorce proceedings. In Georgia, you can achieve this through several methods, including personal service and certified mail. If your spouse agrees to the terms and signs the forms, this can simplify the process even further. Having both parties on the same page is essential for a hassle-free resolution. Finally, once all documentation is completed and both spouses have agreed, you will attend a final hearing. This hearing is typically brief for uncontested divorces, as the judge will review your agreement and ensure everything is in order. After the judge signs off on your divorce, you will receive a final decree officially ending your marriage. This is a significant moment, marking a new chapter in your life filled with possibilities and hope. In conclusion, navigating an uncontested divorce in Georgia can be a straightforward process when both parties are willing to cooperate. By following these steps, qualifying, filing the necessary paperwork, serving the papers, and attending the final hearing, you can achieve a smooth divorce experience. Remember, while it may seem challenging now, this is an opportunity to reclaim your life and move forward into a brighter future.